Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I hope you all are well. Online class. Today I am here to discuss about an important. Today our topic is upper respiratory tract infection or diseases, which is sinusitis and otitis media. Let's start about the main discussion. At first, sinusitis. For this, we should know what is sinus. Sinus is a hollow air-filled cavity which is in the skull and connected to the nasal airway by a narrow hole in the bone. We have 4 pair of sinuses. One is frontal, second one ethmoid, third one sphenoid, and the last one maxillary sinus. Sinusitis. Sinusitis is the inflammation of the nasal sinuses, which is usually due to the infection or allergy. Types of sinusitis. On the basis of location, sinusitis is 4 types, such as maxillary sinus, frontal sinus, ethmoid sinus, and sphenoid sinus or sinusitis. So, on the basis of location, there are 4 types of sinusitis: maxillary, frontal, ethmoid, and sphenoid sinusitis. Maxillary sinusitis occurs due to the infection in the maxillary sinus. Frontal sinusitis occurs due to the infection in the frontal sinus. Ethmoid sinusitis occurs due to the infection in the ethmoid sinus. The last one, sphenoid sinusitis, which is occur due to the bacterial or virus infection in the sphenoid sinus. There are another classification on the basis of rootability, and it is 2 types. One is acute sinusitis, which lasts about 8 weeks shorter, and second one, chronic sinusitis, lasts about 3 months longer. Causes of sinusitis: bacterial or viral infection, allergies, abnormalities of the eustachian tube, swelling inside the nose like from a common cold, immune system deficiencies, blocked drainage ducts, and nasal polyps. Pathogenic bacteria and virus which is responsible for sinusitis. Virus, there are few virus which is responsible for sinusitis. These are human respiratory syncytial virus, metapneumovirus, parainfluenza virus. Bacteria, Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, etc. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms includes sinus headache, facial pain, pain in the sinuses, ears or teeth, fever is common, cough, stuffy nose, sore throat, fatigue, nasal blockage, occasionally facial swelling and pus like nasal discharge, and occasionally may present as toothache and infection of bones of forehead and face. Remedy of sinusitis. There are few remedies, like as taking liquid food to thin the mucus substances in the sinus, inhaling steam 2 to 4 times in a day, using hot wet cloth on the affected area, antibiotics sometimes necessary for this, and in severe condition surgery can be needed. Prevention of sinusitis. Avoiding the effects of any types of allergy, abstain from smoking, keep away from working in the dusty, polluted environment, keep teeth clean, eating nutritious and vitamin rich foods regularly. Next disease, otitis media. It is also upper respiratory tract infection. Otitis is the infection in the ear, and when the infection occurs in the middle ear between tympanic membrane and the inner ear, then it is called as otitis media. Here you can see two figures where one is normal and the other is infected middle ear, bearing liquid substances due to the infection. Causes of otitis media. Several causes, like as dysfunction of the eustachian tube. It is the main cause of otitis media. Due to this dysfunction, bacteria viral or fungal infection may cause cold, flu or allergy, also responsible for otitis media. Pathogenic bacteria. These are responsible for otitis media, such as Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, Pseudomonas, etc. Types of otitis media. There are two types on the basis of durability, such as acute otitis media, which lasts about 2 to 4 weeks. Another is chronic otitis media, which lasts about 4 weeks longer. Symptoms of otitis media: purulent discharge or pus-like substances discharge through the ear, hole in the tympanic membrane, severe earache, hearing loss, fever, etc. Remedy of otitis media includes analgesic, means pain relieving medicine. Pain relieving medicine can improve the otitis media, can help the patient. Nasal drop, taking nasal drop, antihistamines, antibiotics, and in severe case, a minor operation can be needed. Prevention includes keep the children clean environment, clean area, clean place, drinking breast milk, feeding in the right way, don't feeding while lying down, keep the home environment free from smoking, avoiding the allergic effects, etc. It's all about today. Next lecture about smoke, comparison between the extrafill of smokers and non-smokers lung and artificial respiration. For watching this video.